Eric, back to you.
Drive-through testing has started in Florida. Governor Ron DeSantis said soon the Hard Rock Stadium will serve as one of those sites.
That's where we find Local 10's Leanne Morejon, who has more on the new efforts.
Hard Rock Stadium could soon become a drive-through coronavirus testing site.
I spoke with the owner of the Dolphins today, Steve Ross. They're going to let us use the parking lot.
Governor Ron DeSantis saying he's working with healthcare officials and the National Guard to set this up. The location is ideal near the county line between Dade and Broward. Miramar is also being considered. Right now, 1,000 additional kits are on their way to be used for drive-up testing.
Because we've had more cases in Broward than anywhere else, we want to be able to supplement the healthcare system there.
Monday morning, 100 patients who met special criteria were swabbed at the nonprofit FoundCare in West Palm Beach, at Florida's first drive-through testing site.
Just a little uncomfortable, but nothing to write home about. I'm glad I did it.
Tests at hospital emergency rooms are being reserved for the critically ill. Chris Toomey says he traveled internationally and has had symptoms for the past week, but so far he has not been able to test.
They said they didn't have access to the coronavirus test.
DeSantis says hospitals are experiencing a surge, but capacity is manageable. Nurses and doctors are on standby in case of a spike, and N95 masks will be shipped to hospitals to protect healthcare workers. Buildings no longer in use could also be used to house and treat COVID-19 patients, as well as several hospitals that have unused wings.
I've spoken with some of the hospital executives, and they think that could be a good idea.
The state is working with hospitals to identify surge capacity and to identify any resources that will be needed at these hospitals. We know that 1,500 hospital beds have been requested and 250 mobile hospitals have been secured to use throughout Florida. As for that mobile testing to take place here at Hard Rock Stadium, we know that the final details are still being ironed out, but that CEO Tom Garfinkel of the Dolphins, as well as Dolphins owner Stephen Ross, were integral to try to get this to happen. Reporting at Hard Rock Stadium, Leanne Morejon, Local